Hello, this is Balagangadhar Reddy. In this session, we are discussing about India relief features. This is the first lesson, the 10th class social studies. In this chapter, we shall study about the geological background, geographical location of India, relief features of India, variety of vegetation and life forms. In 9th class, we learnt about continental drift theory. As per Alfred Wegener, continental drift theory, the world landforms are originated from two giant lands, namely Angara land, Gondwana land. Over 200 million years ago, Gondwana land split into two pieces, and the peninsular Indian plateau moved towards northeast and collided into the Angara land. The effect of collision and immense compression force, mountains evolved through the folding process over a million of years. This led to the formation of Himalayas. The breaking of northern corners of peninsular plateau formed a large basin that is filled with sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers, led slowly to the formation of northern plains. When we observe the world map, 0 degree latitude, that is equator, divides the globe into the two equal parts. Those are northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And 0 degree longitude, that Greenwich Mean Line, also divides the globe into two equal parts. Those are eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The lines of latitudes and longitudes are used for accurately specifying location of any place or country on the globe. India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere. India lies in Asian continent. India lies in 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. Tropic of Cancer run across the center of India through 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. South India lies in tropical zone. North India lies in temperate zone. India longitudinal extent is almost 30 degrees. That's why 82.5 east longitude is taken as Indian standard meridian, which passes through 5 states. They are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Greenwich Mean Time is taken as 0 degree longitude. Indian Standard Time is taken as 82.5 east longitude. The sun takes 4 minutes time to cross one longitude. In this way, the sun takes 5.5 hours time to cross 82.5 longitudes. That's why Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5.5 hours. Why do we call India as a peninsula? Peninsula means a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west. Hence, India is known as peninsula. India total geographical area is 3.28 million square kilometers. India is a 7th largest country and a 2nd populous country in the world. India land frontier 15,106.7 kilometers. India's coastal line 7,516.6 kilometers, including Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. India is sharing its boundary with 7 countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. India shares its longest boundary with Bangladesh. 9 coastal states are there in India. The states on west coast are called western coastal states. They are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. The states on east coast are called eastern coastal states. They are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Out of the 9 states, Gujarat is the longest coastal state. Tamil Nadu is the only coastal state with 3 seas. The major relief divisions in India are the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the Thar Desert, and the islands. A mountain is a huge landmass that rises above its surrounding area. The Himalayas are called young fold mountains. The Himalaya mountains are the highest mountains in the world. The Himalayan ranges run in the west to east direction in the form of an arc about 2400 kilometers. Their width 500 kilometers in the western region to 200 kilometers in central eastern regions. Himalayas comprises of 3 ranges. Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, Outer Himalayas or Shivaliks. The northernmost ranges is called Greater Himalayas or Himadri. These consist of highest peaks with an average elevation of 6,100 meters above sea level. For example, Mount Everest K2 are located in this area. Greater Himalayas composed of snow and ice cover. Glaciers can also be found here. Glaciers are the source of perennial rivers like Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra rivers. The portion of south of the Greater Himalayas is called Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. Height of the ranges from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. Most rugged relief due to presence of compressed rocks. These ranges consist of famous Valley of Kashmir and the Kangra, Kulu. The Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges are most important ranges in this area. Himachal ranges are famous for many hill stations like Shimla, Ranikhet, Nainital, Mussoorie. The southernmost range of Himalayas are called Shivaliks or Outer Himalayas. Shivaliks extend over width of 10 kilometers to 50 kilometers and altitude varies from 900 meters to 1100 meters. These ranges are called different names in different regions like Jammu Hills in Jammu region, Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, and Kachar Hills in Assam. The valleys between the Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik ranges are called dunes. For example, Dehradun, Kotli Dune, Patli Dune. The Himalayas take hairpin bend to the south and act as a eastern boundary of India. These are known as Purvanchal. Northeastern states Purvanchal are known as Patkai Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Naga Hills in Nagaland, Manipuri Hills in Manipur, Khasi Hills in Meghalaya, Mizo Hills in Mizoram. Importance of Himalayas are the Himalayas influences India's climate in various ways. They act as a barriers of protecting the Great Plains of India. from cold winds of Central Asia during severe winter. The Himalayas are reason for summer rains and monsoon type of climate in India. Absence of Himalayas might turn India to a desert. Himalayas are the source of the perennial rivers like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra.